Okay guys, if you're looking for a super easy way to make some money without having to do any real hard work, then this video is for you. This isn't gonna make you a millionaire and it's not going to get you to quit your job, but it's so easy and such a hack to make a little more money every month that honestly it feels kinda illegal to know. But don't worry, it's all totally legit. And I'm gonna be showing you exactly what I mean, and the best thing about this method is that it's super easy, so even if you're a complete beginner, trust me, you'll be able to do this and rake in those big bucks when I tell you that you can make money without even lifting a single finger. I really do mean it. So enough of the talk, let's get straight into it. So guys, today we're going to be using this awesome app called PacketShare. Now, PacketShare isn't your typical run-of-the-mill website. It's all about making some extra bucks without breaking a sweat. Imagine turning your unused internet bandwidth into actual money. Sounds cool, right? That's what caught my attention in the first place, but you might be wondering what this actually means and what it looks like in action. So here's the scoop. You know how you've got this whole internet bandwidth thing going on? Well, PacketShare takes that and flips it into a nifty opportunity. So think of bandwidth as a pipe, which data flows through a larger pipe. Higher bandwidth can carry more water data at once, which makes data transmission faster and more efficient. Bandwidth is super important for loads of different online activities such as streaming videos, downloading files, browsing websites, making video calls, and so much more. Now, unused bandwidth basically just refers to the portion of your internet connection that isn't actively being used at a given moment. It's like having a road with multiple lanes, and if you're not using all the lanes, that extra space could be utilized by other people for their traffic. So using PacketShare is like having a spare room in your house that you're not using and renting it out to someone who needs it. But in this case, the room is your bandwidth and the renters are other users who want a piece of the internet pie. Imagine it like this: you're not just sharing your Wi-Fi because you're a generous soul, although that's nice too. You're actually putting your extra bandwidth to work and making some extra cash while you're at it. It's like having a plot of land and deciding to grow some money trees on it, not something you see every day, right? I was a bit skeptical at first, but their website is user-friendly and they guide you through the whole process. All you need is a stable internet connection, which I'm guessing you already have if you're watching this. What I particularly like is that you don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. I mean, I know my way around tech, but I'm no guru. PacketShare didn't throw complicated jargon at me. It was a smooth the onboarding process. Then their support was actually helpful when I had a couple of questions. That's a huge plus in my book. So guys, in a nutshell, if you're open to trying out a low effort way to earn some extra dough, PacketShare is worth a shot. I'm all about diversifying my income streams, then this one's been a pleasant surprise. So now that you know what PacketShare is, let's dive into the process. Alright, so the journey starts with a click. Yes, you heard me right, a simple click. Just fire up your browser and head over to packetshare.io. Now, I know that sounds a bit technical, but trust me, it's as easy as scrolling through your social media feed. This isn't some super complex IT project. It's about making smart use of something you already have: your internet connection. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of actually getting in on this awesome PacketShare deal. Signing up, yeah, that essential yet usually annoying step is surprisingly hassle-free here. No need for your life story. They just need a tad bit of info to set you up. After you download the app, just fill out a simple form to sign up and you're in. Now, I know you're probably thinking, show me the money, and I'm with you. Let's get into that. So you're logged in and you're faced with a dashboard that's as easy to navigate as your favorite app. This dashboard's your gateway to managing your bandwidth sharing. It's like a peek behind the curtain. You can see your contribution in action and track how much you're earning. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. You're probably wondering, is this really worth it? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to drop some numbers on you. With PacketShare, you could potentially rake in up to $200 a month. I mean, think about it. That's a decent chunk of change. You could use it for that gadget you've been eyeing, treating yourself to a fancy dinner, or even adding to your savings. Now, as I said, before once the app is downloaded. That's when the real magic happens. You don't need to be glued to your screen clicking buttons all day long. Nope, this process is all about making money in the background while you focus is on, well, living your life. Think about it all. Those little bits of downtime you have throughout the day, those moments waiting for your coffee to brew, your lunch to heat up, or your friend to show up for that movie night. Yeah, those are all perfect opportunities for your app to shine while you're catching up on the latest news, scrolling through social media, or even enjoying a good book. Your unused bandwidth is quietly doing its thing in the background. It means you get to reclaim your time, those hours you would have spent keeping an eye on things. They're yours again. Imagine the possibilities you could finally tackle that book you've been meaning to read. You could spend more quality time with your loved ones knowing that your app is taking care of business. Heck, you could even pick up a new hobby or dive into a passion project you've been putting off because you know that you're gonna be making some extra pocket money anyway. Remember all those times you wished for more hours in the day? Well, consider this. It's your way of bending the space-time continuum minus the scientific jargon of course. It's not just about making money, it's about regaining the freedom to prioritize the things that truly matter to you. So there you have it, the inside scoop on this amazing money-making opportunity. Don't let the techie terms or the formal website names scare you away. This is all about using what you've got, your internet connection, and turning it into a sweet source of extra income. Head over to packetshare.io, sign up without the usual hassle, and let your unused bandwidth work its magic. The app takes care of the rest, and before you know it, you could be pocketing up to $200 a month. Imagine that feeling when you know you're making money without lifting a finger. It's not just about the dollars, it's about embracing a new way of thinking about your resources. So are you ready to take that step? I think you are. Embrace the attack, make the most of your bandwidth, and let's see those earnings grow. I know that this isn't the most glamorous way to make money, and it won't be the thing that gets you to quit your job, but it's such an easy passive way of making income that it's pretty much a no-brainer method for you to try. So go ahead and try it out and let me know how you find it in the comments. Now look, guys, there are a ton of websites and opportunities out there to make money, and I know how overwhelming and why it's handy to know the best ways out there to make money, and I tested out this app for you so you can try it out. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time.